Hi guys, welcome back with me again in the channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can set clock on your home screen in Android phones. So in here, as you guys can see, there is no clock on my home screen clock widgets. There's only time at the push notifications at the top, and I want to add the clock widget. So if you want to do the same, just follow the steps. First, you can just long press on the home screen in here. I'm going to add the clock in here, so I'm going to long press until this menu pop up at the bottom. Then you can just click on the widgets options, and here you'll see there will be the clock option. So if you want to add the clock on your home screen, you can just tap on this, and here you can choose the type of clocks that you want to add into the home screen. There are clock and weather, analog clock, digital clock, or only clock. So you can just choose which one. So I'm going to just add this digital clock, and after that you can just tap on add widget. Now it's loading, and you guys can see here that the clock widget has been added into my home screen. So that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.